It all starts here in self-love. And yet we're not taught from a young age to honor our truth, our needs. Society is already tainted with densities and confusion, self-doubt, drama. And so we haven't learned the power, the magic of honoring our inner voice, of knowing what our soul desires. Still, as adults, we're searching and looking, aching for that aligned life. So many times we want to please our loved ones, maybe avoiding fights, or maybe worried that if we don't offer what the other desires, we will lose them. And so this self-love requires courage, requires a power that we haven't tapped into before. Grounded in our truth, empowered by the light, roaring from our heart. But for that, we need to spend time with ourselves. What do we really want? What are we feeling? And still we are feeling layers and densities and programs that are not even truth. And so self-love is a journey, an evolution, which begins right here, in this now, inviting this life to be magnificent, inviting the full power of the universe to flow through our bodies, inviting all blessings into each cell of our body. So in asking a life that is full, fulfilled in the truth of what our heart desires, there we can express the fullness of what created us, what our Creator desired for us. And in that blossoming, we overflow, inspiring others to do the same, healing the world, creating our unique manifestations from these gifts. So we release all doubts, all confusion, all concerns that we have done it wrong until now, as an act of self-love. Aligning with the light, no longer believing we are the limitations, the self-doubt and the fears, the bad decisions. No, we're not that. We are the light, a fragment of the universe coming down to earth to clear these old programs. As an act of self-love, can we see our our struggles as a challenge that will give us our highest unraveling. That through our love and dedication, consistency, and faith, we will be able to clear and create this amazing alchemy, embodying this power, confidence, with deep humility that the greatest thing that we have done is to allow the light, the truth, our Creator, to come through this vessel. And so we are not the doers, we are the allowers, simply tapping into our hearts and making decisions that are aligned with that inner knowing, fiercely making decisions here, not in the future. Tomorrow never arrives, for it is always now. And so we aligned to that knowing in this now, not out of fear, out of gratitude that we are honoring our soul. This deep alignment with that love within us, knowing that by following that, everyone around us is evolving and growing, learning, and empowering themselves too, through our example. And doubt will always come back. The fears, the uncomfortable energies. In an act of self-love, we will remember to come back to our hearts, to peace, to knowing that our heart knows the way. We will never make everyone around us happy. So we might as well start being happy in our hearts. So holding this pure vibration and expansion within us, asking for assistance from our guides, ascended masters, to cut all cords and attachments to all beings, freeing ourselves. Releasing all hooks, cords, contracts that are binding us to people in a way that no longer serves us. Breaking free to a space of inner knowing. No obligations to other but our truth. And in that pure vibration of our hearts, we magnetize those beings, those opportunities aligned with our hearts. Can I look at myself in the mirror and smile with gentleness, even when thoughts, words, and sensations arise? not honoring my reflection? Can I both hold my heart open, acknowledging these layers as mere layers that need to be felt to dissolve? Can I love myself so much that if this is it, this is how I show up? An act of courage to offer what I am in this now, beyond judgment, beyond doubt, knowing that I am ready now, always ready now to show up. So full in my heart of this self-love that I am not afraid to make decisions where people might pull away or think differently, because I am so full and so aligned with that truth that I am free. I am free with deep gratitude for myself and for others, for the experiences that teach me what I know honors me. Not needing to hold on to or grip in fear, because I have become my best friend, my ally. And I bow to the light within me, listening, present, ever so grateful, knowing that as I love me, my capacity to love and honor you increases. So I love me, the fullness of me, and I shall express who I am, inviting you to be in your power, to love yourself so fully that the layers fall off, and together we can dance this cosmic dance on earth.